Think of a string like a sentence written on a strip of paper tape. Every program that deals with names, messages, or files is really just handling strings. Today we will learn how to grab pieces of that tape, format it nicely, and clean it up. Before we dive in, let's translate the jargon. A string is just text wrapped in quotes. An index is like a seat number for each letter. A slice is a chunk you cut out of the string. And a method is simply an action, like split or strip, that the string knows how to do. Imagine the word apple sitting in numbered mailboxes, and the first mailbox is labeled 0, not 1. So word bracket 0 grabs the letter A, -1 is a shortcut for the last mailbox, which is the letter E. In short, indexing means pointing at one letter by its seat number, and counting starts at 0. Here is the word apple laid out as boxes, each with its position number underneath. The highlighted box is the last one, letter E, which is also what -1 points to. Notice how -1 just wraps around to count from the right side instead. Slicing is like using scissors to cut a piece out of the paper tape between two positions. Word 1:4 grabs letters from position 1 up to, but not including, position 4. In short, the second number is where the scissors stop cutting, but that letter itself gets left out. Picture the cut happening right after position 0 and right before position 4. Everything in between, positions 1, 2, and 3, gets included in your slice. The letter at position 4 is excluded, which is why the result is PPL, not PPLE. An F string is like a fill-in-the-blank greeting card. You write the letter F right before the quotes, then put curly braces around any variable you want dropped into the sentence. Python swaps those braces out for the real values, so the message becomes Sam is 9 years old. In short, F strings let you mix text and variables without messy plus signs. Split is like snapping a candy bar along its grooves into separate pieces. By default it breaks the sentence apart at every space, giving you a list of individual words. So I like cake becomes 3 separate pieces, I, like, and cake, sitting in a list. Join does the reverse of split, it is the glue that sticks the candy bar pieces back together. You choose the glue first, here a single space, then call join on the list you want combined. So the words I, like, and cake become one sentence again, I like cake. Strip is like trimming the frayed edges off a ribbon, without cutting anything out of the middle. It removes extra spaces, or other characters you specify, only from the very start and end of the string. This is really useful when someone types extra spaces by accident into a form. A very common slip is expecting the first letter to be at position 1, when really it is at position 0. Another one is forgetting the letter F before your quotes, which means the curly braces just print literally instead of filling in values. And remember, strip only cleans the outside edges, it will not remove spaces hiding in the middle of your text. You could always glue strings together with plus signs, but then you have to manually wrap numbers in str, and it gets cluttered fast with many variables. F-strings handle that conversion for you and read much closer to plain English. In short, plus signs still work, but F-strings are the tidier modern choice. Let's recap what we covered today. Indexing grabs a single letter using its position number, while slicing cuts out a whole range of letters at once. F-strings let you drop variables straight into a sentence, split and join let you break text apart and glue it back together, and strip trims away extra space from the edges. With these 5 tools, you can already do most of the everyday work of handling text in Python.